Hi, to use separate app sound on Samsung Galaxy S25, go into your phone settings. From here, find sounds and vibration. Then scroll a bit down and choose separate app sound. And if you decide to turn it on, then you can play media sound from apps you select on a separate audio device. But you need to make sure that you choose an audio device that's different from your main audio output device. So you can tap here to turn it on right now. Then select app. For example, we can choose YouTube and YouTube Music, or you can tap here and add even more apps. Go back, then go in audio device and choose something else. So by default, I got phone audio device. So to use separate one, I need to choose Bluetooth device. And that's basically all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.